Basically, Instagram is a social media focused on creating and sharing food-related content. You can use it to find great food or share great recipes. You can also add your favorite content creators, and you can also share to other people.
As we scroll down, we can see a lot of posts. This is currently a global. So all posts from the database will be here. We can create posts by clicking the plus button here at the bottom and then upload the file. So I can select this donut food. So I can type sample data of donut, then post an image. As you can see, after we post the image, it will go directly at the home page, and you will see your recent created posts at the very top.
For the search feature, you can just simply navigate it at the bottom now. So after providing the name or the details, just simply press the search button and it will display the list of profiles and simply navigate it by pressing it. After that, you will be redirected to that profile as you can see, and it will display all the details of the user. You can also interact to that post by simply pressing the like button, and you can also add a comment